Loose mounting bolts on your garbage disposal can seriously mess with your kitchen flow and cause some annoying leaks or noises. Okay, so here's the deal with those loose bolts. First, make sure you turn off the power to the disposal before you even think about touching anything. Safety first, right? Then grab a screwdriver or a wrench, whatever fits your disposal's mounting bolts, and give them a good tighten. Don't go crazy though, just snug enough so they hold firm, but don't strip the threads. If you notice any corrosion or old gunk around the bolts, clean that up with a little vinegar and a brush before tightening. After that, check the mounting ring to make sure it's sitting flush against the sink flange. If it's wobbling, that's your problem right there. You might want to put a little plumber's putty or sealant around the flange to keep everything watertight. Once everything feels solid and tight, turn the power back on and run some water to see if it's quiet and no leaks pop up. One of the biggest mistakes people make with loose garbage disposal mounting bolts is over-tightening them, which can strip the threads or crack parts. Just take it slow and steady to avoid that. Another common issue is forgetting to turn off the power before working on the unit, which is super risky and can cause injury. Always double-check that switch or unplug it. A third problem is ignoring worn-out or rusty bolts. If they look bad, swap them out for new ones to keep your disposal secure and leak-free. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking up homeowners with reliable local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to repairs like this. Plus, it's a solid spot for contractors to find steady work from people who need help with home projects, big or small.